Mike was on mute. Anyways, welcome again to Military Guna TV. Thank you very much for joining me. So, it is El Salvador 1, Jamaica 1. Why did you say Jamaica? Because I said El Salvador. It's Spanish. So, pretty much a lot of things to discuss in this game. So much things to discuss in this game. So much things to talk about as well. And hopefully, guys are having a good night. Hopefully, everything is doing fine. We're going to get into the details. But before I do that, I want you guys to smash that like button. Smash that like button, people. Smash it, smash it, smash it. Sip up the energy. Smash it, smash it, smash it, people. Now, let's get detail. First of all, my squad prediction, I only got one player wrong, and that is Daniel Green. I had Lamar Walker over Daniel Green. But guess what? Daniel Green was the one who started. No, the game started off pretty much as I had expected. And you can clearly see that there's some difference in regards to how we approach the game, how we started to play in football. A lot more possession, a lot more control, a more systematic playing style. You can understand what we're trying to do. I knew that for a fact that we'll go back to the back three. I saw that coming. So that I was not surprised about that. And it really, really helps us in retaining possession of the ball, limiting the chance or the threat level from the opposition. Even though we did that, they still scored a goal. I do think that normally, right across the world, I think that maybe has some communication problem. Because normally, you're defending corners. You have a player on the right post, a player on the left post, which helps you to clear off those ball that would likely to score on either side of the post, in which the keeper would have to struggle to get to. So it makes it a lot more easier for the keepers. But scored a goal, unmarked player, edit on, Andre Blake tried his best, he didn't catch it. But that's how football is. And they definitely scored against the run of play. But what I do realize that they didn't have they didn't put us under any sustained pressure for any long duration. We're the team who did that most of the time. Put them under sustained pressure, force them in errors. We created traps. So these are things that I like that I saw. We created traps, we created channels for them, we forced them to play to a particular direction. I think we forced them to go over to their right hand side more so. And even then, the pressing system looks good. We press them cohesively and even coordinatedly. We press them in an organized press as per quarts of the field or as per sections of the field. What do they call it? Pockets? I think they call it pockets of the field. So it looks good. Now the problem is, psychologically, we can't win. We can't win a game. So I honestly believe that is more of a psychological thing. I think more so that's a psychological thing. Other aspect of the game that I realized, individual players who put in really, really good performance. And I have to say, Leon Bailey, Ravel Morrison, tremendous performance. Greg Lee, tremendous performance again. Bursting down the left hand side. Richard King, my word, that young man. That young man, oh my word, man. Talented squad of players. Now, let's get back to the details. I thought Ravel Morrison was dropping too deep some of the time. I figured more or less that we could have changed the system. I think we did so later on in the second half when we went to a back four. Richard King kind of pushed a little bit more in the midfield area. He was playing like maybe a hybrid right back, right central midfield type position. But you realize that Ravel Morrison would have dropped deep to progress the ball. I would understand the reason for that because we have three defenders. Many people say we don't necessarily need three defenders. We need to be more attacking. But as I said, you can see that the defenders, every now and then, either Damian Lowe, Mariapa, or even Richard King, they would step into central zone. But more so, Richard King step into the central zone to create that number in the midfield, in the middle of the park. You can see that the El Salvador team, they're shaken. They're out of the tournament as well. So they are not that good. Funny enough, we still can't beat a team that is not good. We still can't beat a team that is not good. In the earlier stages, I do believe that Leon Bailey was trying a little bit too hard. As you know, He's one of the marquee players in the team. So a lot of responsibilities were on his shoulder, and that could be the reason why he was trying so hard. But he did put in a really, really good performance. Taking away the fact that he was trying that hard, he did put in a tremendous performance. He looked like a Leon Bailey who wants to play. He looked re-energized. He looks hungry. He was commanding. He was giving instructions all over the pitch. So you can see that leadership role quality is being portrayed from Leon Bailey. Ravel Morrison taking the game by the scruff of the neck, dropping deep, as I said, too much of it, but dropping deep, playing link-up play between Ravel, Speedy Williams. Also when Daniel Green come inside in central area, link-up play as well. I do think that Daniel Green was nervous. He played a bit nervous. You can see he was really, really nervous. He's a young man, so he will get the butterflies out of his tummy. But I can tell you, further going forward, you will see a lot more from him. Andre Gray, you missed Andre Gray got a good chance. Oh my word, and this guy is Leon Bailey. I saw your one as well. That should have, when you beat the keeper, box it one time with the right. Just box it one time. Once you beat the keeper, box it one time. Box it one time. Goal. Anyways, Leon Bailey got chance. Andre Gray boot it out of the stadium. I highly that ball and kick must reach in a crossroad. he booted way out of the stadium. But anyways, he did got that vital goal. We created so much chances. Damian Lowe got one as well. I do think it was offside, but he would have given. I'm not even sure if VAR is there, but definitely Damian Lowe scored one. Got a good opportunity and he kicked it on the keeper. So we got few good opportunities. We could have 100% win this game. The game was ours to take, and it would have really, really galvanized the fans. Now the thing about that, the fans they are disheartening. They are disheartened, but they see glimpses of things to come. So I do think that even though they are disheartened, I do think that they are looking at other aspects of things to come. And that's good. That's really, really good. And that's how football is. You glimpse of hope. Who else? Javian Brown. Not the best game for Javian Brown. Not the best game for Javian Brown. Quite a few times I see him losing the ball. Over dribbling as well. Just needs to settle down a little bit. Damian Lowe. Another horrible. It was a horrendous game for Damian Lowe. Really, really way below par. Way below the level that we know Damian Lowe can play. Way below. Mariappa, solid performance from Mariappa, I would say. Defensive command in the defensive zone. Speedy Williams, as you know, as expected. I do think that Speedy should now be a lot more highlighted in the games. He's too sit back and relax in the not sit back, but you don't see much of him in the game. He keeps it ticking, but you don't see much of him in the game. I think I covered all the players. Standout players, Ravel Morrison. I do think, personally, I would give Ravel Morrison the Man of the Match award. I personally think so. Leon Bailey had a really good game, but I would give Ravel Morrison the Man of the Match award. Based off how involved he was, even the shot that hit the bar. He was like a man possessed, and he wanted something out of the game. But anyways, people, I'm here chatting long enough. Hopefully you guys are doing good. Until next time, people, smash the like button, hit that subscribe button. Hit that subscribe button, people. And until next time, Military Guna TV, and I am out.